Hello, my name is Oliver Leopold, and this is my story of November 13th, 2015. Good morning, everybody. My name is Oliver Leopold. I worked on my room. It was looking really nice. Now I just have a lot of wires that I need to put away and stuff. But I have my light up. I need to put a power strip here because I need to be able to charge some batteries, and I need that outlet because that powers some stuff in the desk. Since I might be working on a show with someone else, they sit here and their sound goes through the Blue Yeti and my sound goes through the MXL 990, both into the mixer, so I can mix it up. External hard drive, the Spindo dock. Yeah, that's kind of it. There's not much else going on. Oh yeah, I'm not at school today, obviously. Ooh, what did I just unplug? Oh, just my headphones. Not a big deal. Okay, it's the next day because I kind of forgot to finish off the day. But so the blood work results came back. And basically said that I am a weird person. There's nothing wrong with me in my blood anymore, so it's probably not a disease or a lifetime thing, but it still could. There's a small chance it still could, but it's probably either one, an allergy or a food sensitivity to something, or two, basically all the stress in my whole life building up and accumulating and just bursting at one time. But we don't really know about that second one. You might have realized that my vlogs are a day late now. I'm basically doing a 2-day delay, so there's 2 days in between me filming a vlog and me actually posting one, just because, as you guys knew, it was really hard for me to get vlogs out every day when I had a lot of stuff going on. So if I have a free day, I can quickly just edit 2 days of vlogs and be clear of vlog editing for 2 days instead of one or none. At the beginning, my first through I think 17th day, I would shoot the vlogs and then I would have to edit them every day at night, so you guys would see what's happening that day, and that was way too much work and stress, because if I had extra time I could never work ahead and get prepared in case I had something else to do. So tomorrow vlog, I actually meet someone named Kevin from his channel, This Kid Needs Medicine. You can check him out in the little card if I remember. Otherwise, just search This Kid Needs Medicine, one word. I don't really know why he has that title, but I'm not here to judge him. And I'm meeting him tomorrow, which is actually today. Yay! Peace. Bye.